Hello, welcome to this video for the BMW 318 diesel automatic. Start under the engine. It's very clean under here. This car was built October 2009, it's a 59 registration. Start on the outside. This car is described as in fair to good condition. As you can see, it's clean, it's tidy. There are slight little scuffs. Bottom of the bumper there. Alloy wheels could benefit from a refurb. It has, however, had brand new brake disc on the front. All the tyres are good. It's very clean. It has got reverse parking sensors. Slight scratch there. Windscreen's good. There's no chips or cracks in that. The roof's clean. On the inside. Four electric windows. Electric mirrors. It's the half Alcantara and cloth interior. Footwell's very clean. I'll lift up the car mat, please look under there. Okay, inside we have the M Sport steering wheel. With the M badge there. It's the soft leather one. It has got the Bluetooth voice command button there to answer your phone. The controls for the next track, for the radio, etc. The clock's there, as you can see, 72,808 miles. It's just had a service as well. It's actually had a service at a Mercedes specialist garage. So yeah, it's just been serviced by them. You can see it's the BMW professional head unit, professional audio, so it has got the Bluetooth as well. It's a dual zone climate control. As you can see, the left and right temperatures. It has got an ashtray as well, a cigarette lighter and an ashtray, so that's an optional extra. Obviously it's got the little flap there which works as well, the automatic gearbox. In here, the centre console, we've got this soft leather handbrake lever and the armrest, which is in very good condition. Open that. Inside we have got a little pocket there with the aux for the music input and a 12 volt output socket as well. Over here we've got this lovely aluminium like carbon effect dash trim. These are the pop out drinks holders. The drinks holders there, there's one there and there's one there. Glove box there. It's got the black roof lining. It's got the anti-glare rear view mirror as well. Oh, there's a little coin tray here as well. Lights. Also, this has got the front, if you look, it's got a button there for the front fog lamps. Okay. In the rear, very clean. 3 full-size seat belts, 3 headrests as well. Fold down armrest, which I'll pull down now. Fold down armrest. So 3 headrests. The headrest, obviously, the middle one folds down. Some air vents there. I'll show you the fuel cap. It's a diesel. Nice and clean. These front seats have also got the lumbar support there as well. So that's a lumbar support, electric lumbar support button there. And then obviously this side has also got the height adjustable seat as well. Car mat's all clean. Also the airbag on and off switch there. Look inside the boot. It's inside the boot. It's very clean. It's got the first aid kit and it's got the tyre weld. Also under here, the corner here, we've got the locking wheel nut and the towing eye. Okay. That's the first aid kit there. The battery's underneath that panel there. Under here, we have no spare wheel on these 3 Series anymore. So there's nothing here, just a storage compartment. It's got the BMW warning triangle here. Just walk around the car once more and we're done. So it's sorry about the weather. It's starts snowing, then sun shining and snowing. So yeah, we're in April at the moment and it's a peculiar time for the weather. Okay, there we have it, a very, I would say very honest and in fair to good condition 3 Series automatic. Low mileage though, but thank you for watching, thank you.